Again, my husband is so busy preparing and put everything inside the garage. Again, my husband is so busy preparing and put everything inside the garage there. And this is what he worked, clean all the job and putting this earlier. That one is heavy, so it could stay there. And I just put together the plants there, the table there, and this one is heavy to remove, so you just leave it there. We just remove the roof, so don't get hit by wind. And I removed the bird bath, and I get this plant pile so together, so they are get strong ticket, so the wind is not just let them fly. I think I like to put this one inside the porch because this one is kind of like high. I put this one inside the porch, and this one we just leave it here, but I just put this one. It's already. I just put this one so I don't get like open with the wind. Right, I put this one inside, and we just let this out down. Oh, but the wheel is kind. Oh my gosh, that's a big lizard. Okay, wait, because this one is be with the wind, and we don't want to let that fly to the window. So I think I need to make this turn around, just like that, maybe. Okay, and this one, and hopefully everything good. Oh, look at that, it's removing the screens. Hope it's not that bad, the wind, because otherwise the screens remove a lot of pickets already. And I remove my pipes all the way here, and I put them together, and that's what I said. Okay, okay, moving. I will just put this way here. That is one whipping willow. Okay, all right now, and just the other plants this side, and it'll be okay. Watch, this one we're going to put inside later. We put everything here now in the garage, the one from the porch, and I removed the lights. The lights, it was here. I removed them, and then my husband been cleaning this, removing the chair, the bench, and put all together this planks. Let's see if this is heavy. Okay, I think that'll be okay. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one. This looks okay. This one. Hope everything there okay. I removed the rugs too, and we put all the plants together. Okay. Okay. And I hope everything okay. And that's it. And it's time for dinner. Okay, I record there. Sup guys. Hopefully okay. And hopefully everyone's safe. And I hope it's not that bad. Yeah. Yeah. And the trees. And of all our neighbors' safety and everyone. Okay, let's have a dinner. Oh, I didn't take this video this time. Okay, here you go. Hope everything okay. Bring this one inside. Everyone be safe.